Hello everyone, welcome to part 16 of Laravel 11 series, in which we are getting the e-commerce website with Laravel and MongoDB. So in this video we are going to update the admin sidebar. We are going to highlight the open module. Okay, so here we can see I'm going to take you to the admin panel, and here we can see the complete dashboard, and you can see if we will select any particular module, then we are going to select that module. The admin management is highlighted and subadmin is highlighted. So like this we want to highlight it. Like if I will open the dashboard, if the admin open the dashboard, then we will highlight the dashboard. If the admin open the update password page, then we will highlight the update password page, so that the admin will come to know that which module he is working on. Okay, so that thing we are going to do with session. And here you can see I'm going to open the sidebar.blade.php file, and here you can see that we have the active class. See, it's the admin management is having the active class, so that's why it is active. If I will remove this active class, then you can see this blue color will go away and it will not active anymore. You can see now it is not active. So we are going to add this active class dynamically by comparing it with session, and the session value we will pass via every function. Okay, so let's first I'm going to update the dashboard function, and here are the steps that you can see under the video description as well. All these steps are given, and you can get this complete source code by becoming a member of this tech developer YouTube channel. Okay, so anytime you can become a member. If you have any difficulty in following this series, you can become the member and get the complete source code along with the support. Okay, so do join as a member, and always subscribe the channel for more Laravel and MongoDB updates. Okay, and you can join the channel anytime to get the source code, so that you will get all these steps at your hand. Okay, along with these steps you will get the source code as well. Okay, so see, first step is to add the this session. Okay, so we are going to add the session. So these are the session we are going to add the session. Like we are going to put a paid session, like the dashboard. In case of dashboard, we are going to start the session with dashboard. See, this paid session we are going to start with, and every time its value will change. If we are opening the dashboard, then this page session variable is having the dashboard value, and if we will open some other page like the update password, then this will have the update password value. Okay, and you can see that update password. So this one, so update password value it will have. If we are going to open the update password, then its value change to the update password. So in this same way, if we will open the update details, then its value will change to the update admin details here. Okay, in case of update admin details, its session value will change to update admin details. So like this, its session value keeps on changing, and according to this session value we are going to select the active class. Okay, so in case of admin management and update password, we are going to compare it with the session variable, and here I'm going to show you that how we are going to compare it with the session variable. And see here. Okay, so this is the condition that we are going to add for the dashboard. Right before the dashboard, right before the this li class now item, we are going to add this condition, and this condition means that we are going to compare the page its value. If its value is the dashboard, then we will add the active in active variable, and the same variable we are going to use here. Okay, in nav item. Okay, we are going to with nav link we are going to use this active. Okay, inside of the nav link we are going to use this active $active here, like this. Okay, so it will select the dashboard if we are going to select the dashboard. Okay, so like if I am going to select the dashboard here, see dashboard we have opened. then it will select the dashboard. Here the dashboard, yeah, we need to add the session as well. Now we are using the session, we need to add here the session, use the session as well, like this. Okay, session as in must be in caps, like this. So here you can see the dashboard is highlighted now. Okay, so see, admin management will not highlight here. Also we will add the condition. So let's go down. Before the admin management, we will add the condition, the session value must be either update password or update admin details or sub admins. Okay, so this condition we are going to add. So I'm going to show you that this is the condition in case of the admin management. Okay, so we are going to add here this condition right before the here li. We are going to add like the page if update password or update details, then we will make it active, otherwise it's not active at all. And once again we will add this active in nav link. Okay, inside the nav link, here we are going to replace this active with this one. And also we are going to add the conditions separately for these update password and update details as well. Okay, right before class nav item, here we are going to add condition, and also we are going to add condition here as well. Okay, and here we are going to add update admin details, and here as well we are going to add update admin details. Okay, so it's fine, and we can see update admin details, and here we will make it update admin details. Okay, so the now dollar active we are going to add with nav link here as well, and also we are going to add here. So now we are going to check here, and we are going to add this one here in case of subadmins, and also active here as well. Okay, and this one subadmin also condition we are going to add here as well. Okay, here we are going to replace it with subadmins. So this condition must work now. Let's see. I'm going to select the subadmins now. Sorry, subadmin is feature is not added so far. So I'm going to select the update password. So you can see the update password is highlighted. Along with that, admin management is also highlighted, as update password is the part of the admin management. So both will get highlighted. So I'm going to click on update details. Now update details must get highlighted along with the admin management. Let's see. Yes, update details gets highlighted, but admin management still not highlighted. Here we are going to add the update admin details. Now it must get highlighted. Actually the session value is wrong, and now you can see the admin management as well as the update details gets highlighted. Okay, so it's working fine. Update admin details and subadmins, update password. For update password we are highlighting it, and for update admin details we are also highlighting it, and we are also highlighting it along with the admin management. Okay, let's see if anything else is there. So that's fine. So these are the things that we have done in this part. We able to highlight the admin sidebar modules. Whichever module we will open, it will get highlighted, so that the admin can able to know that which module he is working on. Okay, so I hope that you can do this at your end. So that's all for now. Have a nice time. Goodbye.